So recently, Nigerian banks disabled all dollar transactions on the Naira card. Now what this means is that if you have a Naira debit card, just like this GT Bank card that I have right here, you cannot use this card to pay for your hosting services, Netflix, stuff that are in US dollars. Even buying apps on Google Play Store, you cannot do that, right? So automatically we started looking for solutions. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my best card for international online payments right here in Nigeria. Now these cards don't have any limits and they don't have any restrictions whatsoever, right? I'm going to be introducing all of this to you guys in today's video, and these are cards that I actually use on a daily basis to pay for my my VidIQ subscriptions, my Netflix, my Prime Video, to buy stuff on Amazon. All my lights and all my studio equipments were bought on Amazon, and I shipped them to Nigeria, and I paid with one of these cards that I'm going to be introducing to you guys in today's video, right? So it's important that you stay with me from beginning to the very end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be guiding you guys exactly what you should do if you're having issues with making payments on the internet, particularly those of you right here in Nigeria. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to get dollars into these cards, right? So again, stay with me from beginning to the very end of this video. So make sure you hit the like button on this video so this video gets shown to a lot more persons who are looking for cards to make dollar payments on the internet, guys. The first card I'm going to be introducing to you guys is this black card in my hand right now. Now, I was in London recently, and this card literally saved me, right? Because I had it inside of my wallet. If I didn't have this card, I would have been stranded at Heathrow Airport. Before I proceed on telling you guys how I can actually apply and get this card right now, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video like I've said before. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. Go ahead and hit the share button to share this video on Facebook, on WhatsApp, whatever. I'm sure somebody in your contact list who is looking for cards to make payments online right here in Nigeria is going to appreciate that gesture. Now that said, guys, this is the GT Bank dollar card. This card works online for dollar transaction because actually it's a US dollar debit card, right? So what I do is I actually put dollars inside of it, then I can use this to pay for my hosting. I use it to pay to buy stuff on Amazon. I use it to pay for my Netflix, my Prime Video, everything online. I actually use this card. This is one of the cards that I actually use, right? But it's not the best. I'm actually saving the best for last. So it's important that you stay with me. And to get this card, all you need to do is to walk into any GT Bank branch around you, right? Walk into the branch and tell them that you want to get the GT Bank dollar card. That's all you need to do. They're going to give you a form to fill. And of course, you're going to be needing 2 references. Now, my approach is that I have a dollar account, right? And I do not want a scenario where somebody maybe gets my dollar card and wipes my account with it, right? So what I do is that I create an additional account for my dollar card. So that account, this dollar card is linked to that account. So at every point in time, if I want to spend $2,000, I transfer the $2,000 from my dollar account into this card account, and this card can access it. That way I am safe, even if I actually lose this card. So the story of the girl that we heard recently who lost about 4 million naira in Zenith Bank will not happen to me. And I want to encourage you to do the exact same. So the GT Bank dollar card is the number 4 card that I actually use for dollar transactions on the internet. You can use this card, has no limits, it has no restrictions, and you can use it on any website to pay for your goods in dollar. The only caveat is that you actually need 2 references to open it, just like opening a normal current account in the bank. But if you already have a current account with GT Bank, you will be needing that reference, right? Just go to GT Bank and they will give you an additional account opening form. So just fill that form and give it to them, and that's what you need to do. And they're going to be they're going to be giving you a black card just like this one, and this is the GT Bank dollar card. That's number 4. And the second card we're going to be looking at is this card right here, right? This is the Providus bank card. Now the interesting thing about this card is that if you walk into any Providus bank branch right now and get this card instantly. I got this card instantly. The same day I walked in, I got it immediately. And another interesting thing about this card is that you can use this card to pay for anything on the internet. You can use it to pay for Netflix, you can use it to pay for your domain and hosting, you can use it for anything at all. And another interesting thing is that you can fund this card with Naira, right? That's something I love about this card. So you can take your Naira, right, and put it inside this card and use this card to actually make payments. The only problem is that they are going to be charging you with the black market rate, which is fine. Right, which is fine, because most of these other cards, what they do is that you have to actually go and buy dollar and now come and deposit dollar before you can actually access it with those cards, right? The Providus bank card does not work like that. So you just need to take your Naira, put your Naira inside this card, and you can use this card online to make all your payments that you actually need to do. Now, this is the number 3 card I'm going to be introducing to you guys. There are 2 more, right? And like I said before, I actually saved the best for last. Now, the 3rd card is the UBA prepaid card. And the interesting thing is that you don't even have to have an account with UBA, just like the Providus Bank, to get this card. Just walk into any UBA branch around you and tell them that you want to open the UBA prepaid. You want to get a UBA prepaid card. And what they're going to do is that you're going to give you a form to fill the form, do all the normal rituals, and your card is going to be given to you. But just like I said, you need to actually buy dollar, right, and put dollar inside this account before you can actually use it online, which is completely fine. Because the good thing is that this way, you know exactly how much you want to spend. You buy the dollar from Apoki or wherever, right? And put it and go to the bank and deposit this dollar, this cash into this account. And guess what, guys? You can use the card to make payments online easily. So I'm going to get to the last card. And this is a card that I've used since 2016, right? That's how many years now? Let me know how many years it is from 2016 to now. And if you actually have any of this card, you actually tried any of this card out, let me know in the comment section, and let us also know your experience, so we can encourage others to either use or not get these cards, right? Before we get into the number 1 card that I've been using since 2016, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video if you've not done that, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. The next card I'm going to be introducing to you guys is my Payoneer card, right? I've been using this Payoneer since 2016, and it has been an amazing experience. It has been an amazing experience, and I think I'm going to be making videos. I'm going to be making videos on how to actually create a Payoneer account in 2023 and actually applied for this Payoneer card in 2023. If that's a video you want to see, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to prioritize making that video. And if you want more detailed videos on how to actually get these cards, right, any question at all, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. And of course, if you need references, right, of course, and you can't get references, maybe you should let me know in the comment section. Somebody might actually help you. Somebody might actually be willing to help you as a reference, to sign the reference form for you to get maybe like the GT Bank dollar card or any other bank that you want to get, right? And they need reference. Somebody might actually help you in the comment section. So in the case that actually needs reference in the comment section and somebody is going to help you out, maybe I might even decide to actually help you out because I have accounts in those banks, and of course I'm qualified to actually do that, right? So the last bank, I'm talking about the Payoneer card. Now, coming back to the Payoneer card, right? To get the Payoneer card, all you need to do is to go to payoneer.com and set up an account. And after you set up an account, in 2023, there are certain restrictions with Payoneer, right? Where you have to get about $2,000 in the last 6 months before you can actually before you're qualified to apply for a card. And you have to earn like $50 or so before you can actually get your account number and all of that. If that is a challenge that you have, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be making that video for you guys. But the interesting thing is that Payoneer card is actually the best card that I have used, for dollar transactions. It works anywhere in the world. I've used this card in India. I've used this card in Morocco. I've used this card in where else? In South Africa. I've used this card in Kenya. I've used this card in the UK and other parts of Europe actually, right? So, and it has never failed me, not even one. Of course, it's a US card. Right? So what do you expect? If you have used any of these cards and you have had either good or bad experience with any of these cards that I've mentioned, please let us know in the comment section to guide us and to also guide others about our experience to either use or not use this card. Or there are other cards that you're using at this particular point in time and you want me to actually make a video or review it. Let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually do that for you guys. These are my best bank cards for international transactions in Nigeria, and these cards has no limit and they have no restriction, and I actually use them and they're actually working, right? And you guys know that what I do on this channel is actually show you what works. So I try things out, they work, then I come right here and show you exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. Now, another thing is that after you have actually opened this account, you've gotten these cards, the question I get asked a lot is, how do I actually fund these cards? How do I fund this account? And for me, how I fund this particular card right now, and even Payoneer, is because I make money online, right? So this video showing up right here right now is going to show you exactly how to make money online, so you can actually fund your card and spend the money online, or even withdraw into your local bank account if you can do that as well. So that's it, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that cheer out. Those love you guys. Bye from here, guys.